Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Munir bin Cik Ibrahim. Number of matric A220037EP. Now, I volunteer my group to presentation my research, the impact of sustainability awareness on e-commercial purchase attention among university students. Now look at the abstract. The student aim to examine the impact of sustainable awareness on e-commercial purchase attention among university students. Sustainability awareness is measured through three dimensions: sustainability knowledge, behavior attention, and sustainability information. A quantitative cross-section survey was conducted using structured questionnaire, and the collected data were analysis using descriptive analysis and multiple regression analysis. Look at the introduction. The rapid growth of the e-commerce has changed the way consumers shop. At the same time, environmental issues have increased awareness of sustainability consumption through university students are among the most active online shoppers. Their awareness of sustainability does not always translate into actual purchasing behavior. Therefore, this study investigated their sustainability awareness influence student intention to purchase environmental friendly product through e-commerce platform. Now look at the literature review. Previous studies suggest that sustainability awareness play an important role in influencing green purchasing behavior. According to Eisen 1 1991, behavior attention significantly affect purchase attention. Just as it can, the sustainability knowledge encourage customer to make environmentally responsibility delicious. In addition, Nick Ramley 2020 reported the greatest environmental knowledge increase green purchase intention where that and Hart 2017 highlight the sustainability awareness positively influence customer in addition to buy eco-friendly product online. Research methodology. The research added a qualitative cross-section survey design. The responsibility consider of the undergraduate and postgraduate student at the University Malaysia Kelantan. Data were collected through a Google Form questionnaire using a 5-point like class. The data were analyzed using PSS, including discrete statistics and multiple gradient analysis. Okay, now look the research objective. This study has three objectives. Number one, to determine the level of sustainability awareness among UMK students. Number two, to examine the relationship between sustainability awareness and e-commerce purchase intention. Number three, to analyze the impact of sustainability awareness on e-commerce purchase intention among university students. Result and analysis. The findings show that all variants recorded high mean score. Sustainability knowledge 4.40, behavior attention 4.45, sustainability information 4.46, sustainability awareness 4.46, purchase attention 4.43. The result indicate the UMK student have a high level of sustainability awareness, and sustainability awareness has a positive influence on their intention to purchase sustainability product through e-commerce. Behavior attention and sustainability information we are identify the stronger contributor to purchase intention. Lastly, in conclusion, this study confirmed that sustainability awareness significantly influence university students' intention to purchase environmentally friendly product online, increase sustainability knowledge, and providing reliable sustainable information can factor enhance responsive online purchasing behavior. And strategy and recommendation. Based on the finding, we are recommending several strategy. Integrated sustainability education into university curricula, increase sustainability awareness champion through social media, collaborative with e-commerce platforms such as Shopee and Lazada, improve e-labeling and sustainable information on online platform, and not green purchasing through reward and promotion campaign. That's all for me. Thank you so much.